This is one type of problem for test of hypothesis. Here we have a data which shows the increase in oxygen saturation level of 10 patients recorded after giving a certain medicine. So, these are the increase in saturation level of 10 patients. So, they have so as to say, let us assume that the first patient has 94% oxygen saturation level before administering some medicine, and after administering that medicine they have improved. So, their oxygen saturation level from 95 becomes 96.2. This person, let us assume that he has already oxygen saturation level at 96 and it improved to 96.6. In this case, some patient have oxygen saturation level 93, it deteriorates after administering that medicine, it reduces. So, this is a very weird data. Now, our hypothesis is that can we infer from these data the hypothesis that the particular drug which has been administered and the effect has been noted down, can we make that hypothesis that this drug has no effect at 10% level of significance, say. So, it is clear, the problem is clear. You should first understand the problem. This data represents the increase in oxygen saturation level for 10 patients who has been administered a particular drug, and now we want to test the hypothesis that this drug has no effect at 10% level of significance. So, how can we test that? We will use t statistics here. See that we have 10 patients, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 patients. This is 2.1 and this is 2, the increase in saturation, oxygen saturation level. So, we have to find out the t statistics. First, we would like to calculate x bar and then m naught, and then S n is given by the number of datas given here, which is obviously we are testing the case in case of 10 patients with 10 patients. So, n is 10 and we would like to test the hypothesis at 10% level of significance. So, that is very important, and since we are testing it at 10% level of significance from the data from the t distribution table, it is given here actually. So, our critical region is this. So, our main task will be to find the value of t, and if the value of t matches with the I should say that if the value of t lies in this critical region, we should reject H naught. If it does not lie within the critical region, we should accept H naught, which states that the drug has no effect for increasing the or rather we should say for rationalizing the effect of oxygen saturation level. I hope I have been able to make you understand. So, when the drug has no effect, our test hypothesis is m equal to 0, is not it so? So, we should use m naught as 0 and calculate it, and then test whether t lies within this critical region. If it does not lie, we accept H naught, otherwise we reject H naught.